Welcome to another adventure. Today we're in Birżebbuġa and we are next to the entrance of Għar Dalam. It's a cave that goes prehistoric area. It was first excavated in 1865, long time ago, and this is a well-kept cave. It's you have to pay to come here, and thanks to Heritage Malta today I'm with my children and I have the heritage passport, so I'm here for free. So let's go and explore this cave. Before the entrance one can find this rock here with this particular hole over here, which when they used to live here way back in the World War II, they used to tie animals to it. In the entrance one can see this massive cave here. There's the railing as well to be protected, everyone coming here. There's this feature, the rubble wall, which in many caves we find them very frequent, because when people used to live here, they used to do even rubble walls. There are these crosses which goes back pre-World War II. As per this notice, there are some other graffiti which we might encounter. And these holes in the ceiling, they were formed with water. We find them in many caves as well. And this part, I am resembling it with Tamaria Cave, which is located next to Jnejna Bay. These parts were all excavated way back in time. Look at the rock formations here. This was all formed naturally with water. It's amazing. Here they find many fossils. I will show you the museum part where there were baby elephants, deers, many animals that in Malta we don't have. So these were washed by the water and ended up here. This is a column which shows the settlement and the sequence of deposits. Even this one here, look at the layers. These here, which were formed with water as well. It's like a tunnel, which was formed obviously with the pressure of water. And now I am hearing water here, the droplets. I will put some light. And in fact, this is a stalagmite. This is a stalagmite, and obviously we have stalactites. Stalactites are the ceiling ones, and stalagmites are the ground ones. There is another column here. All the family can come here and enjoy this heritage. And this is the last part that we can enter, because further inside we cannot go, because they are still doing some excavations as well here. So this is closed to the general public. And now we will go back. It's well lit, so you don't need a head torch, but obviously I have my own lights to give some more light. Even the ceiling is well lit. I am going out. Today I came with my family, with my children and my wife, and the entrance, thanks to the heritage passport, it was for free. The government way back did this initiative where students, they will be given the heritage passport to visit such sites for free. So thank you Heritage Malta for permitting this, and it's a very good initiative. So let's continue with our adventure. One can have a rest here. There's that pillbox over there as well. And there's the small tower that, as per information, it used to serve as a, to safeguard the fields in the vicinity, because way back there were some people robbing from these fields, and they used to try and surveillance the area from that tower. If we take this path, there's an abandoned room here. Let we have a look. Look at the size of the stones, huh? There's like, I don't know why, this. Wow, it's interesting, huh? Look at the arch here. There was an arch. Obviously without roof. And there were these. Maybe they used to for honeybees. I don't know. If someone knows, please leave your comment below. The arch that I told you that was supporting the door. Very interesting. And look at the thick of the walls, huh? It's like 4 times as much as today. There's this garden here. It's named one word, the one-word garden. One can have a relaxing afternoon as well, or morning if you come here to visit Għar Dalam. These benches over here where one can have a rest. This pond, which is full of life. Trees. Well done to Heritage Malta and its volunteers and workers of Heritage Malta for keeping this area very well. And a nice view from here of with Dalam Valley. We're going into the museum part here where there are the fossils that I mentioned. A lot of fossils found here. Many animals which in Malta we don't currently have, like the baby elephant, this one. There's a deer as well and hippopotamus. Thousands of fossils here. This one is the deer. I don't know if it's full that they found, but it's very interesting. Many hours of work to collect these fossils. Thanks to these people for preserving our heritage. These are the settlements. Some information about this cave. And that was the end of another vlog. Hope you liked it. Obviously, I'm not a historian, so if you need more information about Għar Dalam and these findings, go to the Heritage Malta site. There is a lot of information here. Please subscribe, like and comment on my channel, Angelo Caruana. Until the next one, bye bye.